Welcome to our Learn English Smoothly channel. In today's video, you'll follow Letty as she goes through her daily routine. This simple story will help you learn about daily activities in English. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Letty. Let me tell you about my daily routine. Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I eat breakfast. I usually have toast and eggs. After breakfast, I get dressed and go to school. I take the bus to school, and it takes about 20 minutes. At school, I learn new things and play with my friends. At 12 p.m., it's lunchtime. I eat lunch with my classmates. After lunch, we have more classes. After school, I come back home. I do my homework and help my mom with dinner. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. In the evening, I watch TV or read a book. Finally, I go to bed at 9 p.m. That's my daily routine. What's your daily routine? Thanks for watching. We hope you like Letty's daily routine story. Don't forget to practice your own routine in English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time.